the eddy current or Foucault current. In this part we are going to discuss. First, what are eddy currents? And questions from eddy currents are very simple way. No numerical, only the simple one. What are eddy currents? How these are produced? What are its harmful effects? How it can be minimized? An application of eddy current. Only these are the questions that we will find at last. Eddy currents are loops of electrical current induced within conductor of a changing magnetic field in the conductor according to Faraday's law of induction. Right now we have seen induced current in a loop. But now if we are taking a solid conductor like a metallic plate, and that plate, here see, this magnetic plate, here the magnet, this metallic plate is moving, allowed to move in the magnetic field. So what happens? This area, when it will go out, less magnetic field. When it will come in, more magnetic field. So here magnetic field associated with this plate is changing. So we can say its flux is changing. If flux is changing with time, then obviously a current should be induced. And Foucault found in the whole metallic plate, in the whole metallic body, there's a circulating current, or that's named as eddy current. So what are here? See, first the induced circulating currents produced in a solid metal due to change in magnetic field in the metal are called eddy current. Here see, first a metallic block. Now see, if this metallic body experiencing here changing B, though in this diagram B you are finding that remains constant, but under consideration this body is moving in the magnetic field as you have seen a earlier diagram, then in the whole body a current will induce, because this plate is experiencing variable magnetic field. So we can say variable magnetic flux, and that flux is changing with time. Now the application, note down this one. In induction furnace, in a speedometer, eddy currents are used to measure the instantaneous speed of the vehicle. Electromagnetic damping, in electric brakes of the train, eddy currents are produced to stop the rotation of the axle of the wheel. Nowadays, in energy meter, digital meters are used. Earlier, analog energy meter, and you might have seen a body which is rotating in that meter. So that was, here the eddy currents are used to consumption of electric energy. In the galvanometer, coil returns back, and the eddy current are responsible to bringing the coil as soon as current is off, bringing back. Now here the questions. What are eddy currents? How these are produced? State harmful effect of eddy current. See this part here. What are the harmful effect? Producing the heat. So that is the loss of energy, and it is the reason that if any electrical appliances in which metallic rods are used for a longer time, they become so hot. That is the loss of electrical energy. How we can minimize? If we make a slot here, say in this if we make a slot in this one, then we are reducing the area of the plate so that AD current will reduced. And what are its application we have seen. So from the AD current there are the direct question.